Hello, everybody. This is Francisco Martinez. Excuse me, for week 2 of 1403 for APL, and this is my project. I gotta say this week was actually kind of tough. Um, I was trying to figure out how to make this work better. I have a feeling that I did a couple of I did do a lot of things wrong, even though it feels like everything is kind of right, because everything seems to show up okay with no problem. But I think the setup is wrong, even though it seems like it's right. The setup is wrong. Um, as far as trying to put it in with the flow of my app, um, I decided to put them in sections as far as problems go. When it came to actually setting up the um, when it came to setting up the code, I put them in problems. So this is problem 1, problem 2, problem 3, which I will explain in a little bit, and problem 4, which is right here. And then on the bottom, I would put the methods in order of not only their problems but also their their method calls. So that the first part, which was the addition part, which is this one, was first, and so on and so forth. Um, as far as let me see what else we got here. As far as what needed to be clarified, I would say it would have to be the append part. But at the same time, I feel like I could have just, which was also one of the biggest problems of this week, was the fact that I felt like I didn't have enough time to actually go through not only watching all the videos but also going through this thing. It's kind of tough to actually like watch the videos and try to um do the code at the same time, even though like we've been doing this for the past couple of months with other classes. For some reason, this one was a little bit tougher to actually um, get through for some reason. So I still say it was mostly time management on my part. I didn't have a good amount of time to actually like get myself into this. I had a couple of hiccups this week, so I had a lot of problems trying to like get this thing going, and I think it's gonna cost me in the end. But either way, the fact that I was able to get something out of it, I kind of understand what's going on. I just need to make sure that within my next project that I set it up properly and make sure that everything looks the way they're supposed to look and works the way they're supposed to work. So just to make sure, as you can see, I have these little alerts that show up, and it shows right here too as far as the log goes. So it runs, but like I said, I just don't think it's running the way it's supposed to. Like the setup is wrong. I hope you guys made out better than I did, and you have a good night.